here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and Vixen and all his reindeers pulling on the reins.
Welcome back, or welcome to my channel. It is day 14 of Vlogmas, and we have 11 days until Christmas. I just woke up, but I'm going back to sleep. I've been up all night, actually, because my sleep is just thrown off. I only woke up to eat and start the vlog, but yep. I just want to come in here and start. I don't know what we're going to do today. I wanted to either go to the Christmas tree farm, which closes at 5:30 and it's already 1 something, or make that dip that Cardi B made on TikTok. I'll insert the video. I want to make that. So it's going to be one of those two things, or both possibly, but most likely it's going to be the dip because I'm sleepy. So yeah, I just want to come in here and start the vlog. But yeah, welcome to day 14. I'm awake, guys. It's 6:55, December 14th. I'm finna edit day 13 vlog and post that. And then we're gonna go to the store and make tortilla bowls and that Cardi B dip, I think. Okay, vlog, day 13 is uploading as we speak. Trying to make it to the grocery store, but I don't know because it's 10:24. It's gonna take us almost 30 minutes to get there. And my ride is still not here yet. So I don't know if we'll make it or not. But I'm sure he'll try very hard. But yeah, we're finna go to the store and get the stuff to either make tortilla bowls, that dip, or like walking tacos or something like that. Or something. We'll see. So yeah, let's go. Don't mind this right here. This is my edge scarf. I just didn't take it off. So it look a little bulky right here. But yeah. I don't know. We'll see.
They closed.
Okay. They're closed. No tortillas, bowls, or dip or nothing.
I'm gonna go get shit in the morning. I'm gonna wake up.
I figured we wasn't gonna make it, but we'll figure something out.
Yeah, let's hit the farm.
I don't know which one is which.
This is the one.
This one. Trying the 7-layer nacho fried burrito.
I don't even know.
Ooh, these fries is fresh and hot. They got the best fries. Every other Taco Bell I went to, the one in Dublin, fries wasn't crispy, crunchy like this one. And the one in Macon, when I had my doctor's appointment, was not fresh.
Another bite. Just the bean part. What you talking about now?
I'm back home. I don't know what I'm gonna do today. Let's go see Ace. Hi. Hi there. Yeah, back home. Don't know what I'm gonna do. Probably just play the game or something. Or watch a movie. I don't know. Say hi. Ace. I use 1 full can of shaving cream plus a small amount of another can. I think we're going to make fake snow. I don't know why I thought of that out of nowhere, but we don't get snow here, so we can make fake snow to play with. And then maybe one day I know I don't have enough ingredients to do a snowball fight, but I can go get some and then we can have a snowball fight in another video. Because I don't have nothing to film for today. I could do my makeup, but it's just, I don't want to. So. Okay, it says you only need a 2-pound box of baking soda, but I don't have that. I only have 1 pound and 1 to 2 cans of shaving cream. I only have 1 can. And it says to pour the whole box of baking soda in the container and then just add shaving cream and knead it into the baking soda. Keep repeating that until it's the consistency of snow. It should be powdery and not leave residue on your hands. So let's see. I'm trying to keep the content interesting for you guys because I didn't film anything for today, but I'll do a more fun version some other day where we actually do something with it or make enough that I can build a snowman or something. For now, we're just gonna see if it works. So I'm just gonna dump this whole thing in there. It's probably a little less than a pound because I used this already. I think I've used it once since I bought it. And it was probably like a tablespoon or a teaspoon or something. looks like snow to me. Haven't you added the shaving cream? Okay. This thing hurt. Okay. We'll knead this first. I think it's working. Just need to knead it some more. She said it's supposed to be cold though. She said it's supposed to like get cold or something. She was like, ours was cold to the touch without having to put it in the refrigerator. Maybe not super cold. Maybe she meant just like cool. I think I'm doing it. I wonder how much I would need to actually have a fight or build a snowman. I wonder how long that would last outside, the snowman. I don't want to say it would melt, but it would probably mess it up if it rained. Because why would it melt? Like what would melt? What would make it melt? It's not ice. I mean, the only thing I can see ruining it is water or ice. I didn't even use the whole can. She used the whole can. But she had a 2-pound box. But she said 1 to 2 cans for a 2-pound box. I have a 1-pound box. She said it ain't supposed to leave no residue. But this is a lot of residue. Maybe it needs to be more powdery, but I don't have any more baking soda. It's not bad though. I probably just need a little bit more baking soda. Snow. See if I can make a snowball with it. Well, there y'all have it. Fake snow. That's all I got for y'all today. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna come back and make a big batch, a really big batch. And have some type of snowball fight or build a snowman. Let's see if I can build a mini one. My camera finna die. I'm gonna build a mini snowman. I'm trying to hurry up. Don't die. Please. I think the consistency is pretty good though. I probably just need a little more baking soda, or maybe not. I don't know, because maybe it won't stick if I add more. Oh, I'm making a mess. My camera finna die. Please. My snowman's head isn't that round. Oh, he fell apart. Aw, well there was my little snowman. If you turn him this way, you can't tell that he's missing something in the back. I don't have any decorations. But yeah, there you have it. Fake snow. That'd be fun to do with kids if you have kids. You can make fake snow. If they don't, you know, if it don't snow for real where you at. I'm sure they would like that. I'm enjoying it myself and I'm 23. I want to feel it with my naked hands. It does feel like snow a little bit. And it's not leaving any residue for real. Somebody else said that you can mix the baking soda with white conditioner. But I thought the shaving cream might work a little better. So I didn't do that. But yeah, it does feel like snow. I wouldn't say it's cold, but it has like a, I mean it's cool, like a moist type of feeling, like snow. Well, there you have it for this short vlog. Trying to keep you guys entertained. Shoot, I ain't seen nobody else do it on their Vlogmas making fake snow. Find them and tell me who done made fake snow on their Vlogmas.
Nobody.
Exactly.
Because they ain't you.
Alright y'all, that's all I have for y'all today. Like I said, that's probably really fun to do with kids if you have kids. I don't have kids. or little siblings, little brothers and sisters, whatever. But yeah, like I said, I want to make like a big batch and like do a big snowman or like have a snowball fight or something like that. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys. I'm trying to keep the content interesting. Sorry I didn't have much for y'all today. Like I said, I wanted to do the dip and everything, but we were late getting to the store and they closed. So this is what I came up with off the top of my head. Literally just popped in my head out of nowhere. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel, please. And thank you. And make sure your post notifications are on so you don't ever miss when I post, because you don't want to do that. You don't want to do that. So make sure your post notifications are on, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.